Hi everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, and in today's video I will show you a tool which I believe will save life of most of you. If you are one of the people that like to sketch ideas, to make plans, to brainstorm problems and solutions, and need a mind map that help you craft very quickly those ideas in a very organized way, which you can then read later and action later, I found and used a tool that actually has gained a lot of traction, which is called xmind.ai. So you can access this tool for free, and you can create mind maps very quickly, and you can do it all for free. Plus, if you like and wish to have more capabilities like AI infinite capabilities, which allows you to create the mind map based on the initial ideas, you can also do so, and there are also discounts to do that. So let's start with Xmind. When you go to the website, to the home, you will get something like this. This is the website basically. If you create, you can create a new mind map or brainstorming or AI. For example, in this case, I want to create a mind map. And I can either start from a project already done. Um, for example, you can see here that someone did a dissertation. Obviously, you need to ensure we don't want you to subscribe. Okay, there are some projects that to access you need to pay. But what we will do instead is to go totally basic, let's say. And just to look how great is the application. You can either use this to start, delete, and do something else, or even to delete it all and start totally from scratch. The central topic can be, for example, holidays in Puglia. So if you want to do holidays in Apulia, you might want to create a strategy on what to do after. Um, you can either um, write here, connect this with something else. You can even double click simply to say, for example, I want to go to Monopoly. Then I want to go to, I just double clicked to Mari. Then I want to go to Polignano. So you see how quick it is. And within Polignano, I want to see the Lido Cala Paura, which is a beach which is there. I want to go to the restaurant Gli Antichi, which is a restaurant, and you can even write restaurant. And you can even simply just connect this with this with, you can connect this with this, and here we go. We have here, you can organize it better. In Bari, you want maybe to go to Castello Svevo, for example, etc., etc. I mean, you can do a lot already for free, and you connect. Well, probably you do. You connect this with this, so this with this, and this with this, also this with this. As you can see, it is very comfortable way to create a graph. You can do also other options. You can also ask the AI to go totally auto. For example, let's see what it understands from this, and it will create the rest of the graph for you to give you some ideas. Or you can do Ctrl-Z if you didn't like, and obviously you can do so much more. You can see that you can even simply click this to create a topic, and then a subtopic after, and then a subtopic after, and even you can create subtopic and the topic. Even you can handle these things quickly just from here. Uh, how good is this? I didn't find any other mind map that is so fast and quick and can make achieve great things immediately. You can also you can add different tasks and other plans that obviously have more a payment, an hyperlink. There are some features that are for paid users and other features that are not. You can even handle mathematics, apparently. You can handle labels that you can add. Label, let's see, the label is called play tennis. Maybe there is the location. Okay, it created me a label. Okay, the label, it was associated to the topic that I maybe wanted to handle. Then you can decide what are the relationship between elements, and you can create something beautiful. I believe that you can create something much more beautiful than what it is this. Maybe the AI can even help to refine the map. This probably is possible to be done with the pro membership. But if you just need something useful and without paying, you can do that. You can even share this with other members through email. You can add flags, apparently. How that works, I'm not sure yet, but you can add stickers, illustrations. It would just be good to understand how this works, but apparently, okay, you just have drag and drop, which sounds interesting. You play tennis and you can add the image inside the places, which sounds very interesting. If you travel, this beach side, obviously it will make the much more beautiful the graph like this. And so on. I mean, how good is this? Let me know if you like this tool, and let me know if you know other tools that are even better than this. I don't think it exists. I checked myself personally, and this is the best that was mentioned in Reddit and in Google, in normal Google search, and searching also in ChatGPT. If you like this video and this tool, consider to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to get videos like this, where I show you the best productivity tools, best AI coding tools to use to make your life more productive. This channel is for people that want to be more productive using vibe coding, coding, and AI tools to achieve productivity and to solve any type of problems that business might have with the use of AI. Hope this was useful. I think we covered most of all. You can also play. You can basically make presentations. This is fantastic. You can make presentations out of wow. This sounds even better than a tool of PowerPoint. You can transform your mind map in a PowerPoint. How cool is that? Much easier than create PowerPoint, and you can do it fast. I think mm, we cover all for now. Obviously, you can export in different formats, in PDF, in images, and there are so many other options. I find this tool really, really cool, and you can create different maps, and you can probably view the history so that you can understand and check whatever were the plan and use it like a notion probably, but more visual. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Hope you found value for this video. Consider to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all three if you can. Do on one of those activities because that's the only way this channel can find other viewers and grow. Thank you for today and see you in the next one.